Howdy campers. I still have some muddy edits of the COBDR left to do, but in that trip, on top of repairing all of the broken things, there's a few things I want to do to this motorcycle in order to make 2023 just a little bit better. So I ordered everything up but the camel toe kickstand, and on days my hands wouldn't freeze, I got to work. Starting with the exhaust, because yes, I did lay it down on the right side and it did bend in the can enough to affect the swing arm. So, changed into the Enduro bin, which is fantastic. As a huge bonus, my SW Motec pannier racks fit perfectly. Next up, one finger clutch, because 7 days, 10 hours a day, the pull becomes rather heavy around hour 8. Yes, those are the OEM crash bars, so I was only able to get the one hole lever, which turns out it was all I needed. I did take the opportunity during this process to flush out the cable, which turned out to be another improvement. Applying the fix to the T7's rear brake for me was a bit more of a pain, as there was a center stand involved. After removing the giant springs and getting the center stand off, I then removed these two bolts while on a jack, which was something not to do. Note to installers, just put the bike on the kickstand when you're installing the rear brake fix from Camel ADV, because taking out these two bolts will make the frame do a little sag action, which may make you poo your pants. So, lessons learned and the fix installed. Let's start with the bike and take a test. God, look at that! Holy f***! Oh, Jesus! Oh, I'm in